First, I have to move my -1 to the right side. And I have square root y plus 2 equals 8 plus 1. Y, my unknown, is under the radical sign. In order to find y, I have to eliminate the radical. In order to eliminate the radical, I'm supposed to raise that radical to the power which is equal to the index. That's why I raised this expression to the second power. Exponent is going to eliminate my radical sign, and whatever I did on the left side, I have to also do on the right side. If I raise the left side to the second power, I have to also raise the right side to the second power. I have y plus 2 equals 8 plus 1 is 9 to the second power is equal 81. Because I'm looking for y, I have to move my positive 2 to the other side. That's why I have y equals 81 minus 2. So this is y equals 81 minus 2 is equal 79. Let's check if this is correct answer. I'm going to replace y from my original equation by 79. That's why I'm going to have square root 79 plus 2 minus 1 has to be equal 8. Square root 79 plus 2 is equal 81. Minus 1 has to be equal 8. Square root of 81 is equal 9. Minus 1 has to be equal 8. 9 minus 1 is equal 8. 8 is equal 8. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why y equals 79 is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at another example. Please notice that on the left side of the equation I have 70, and on the right side I have 7, and 7 is multiplied to the radical. Because 70 is divisible by 7, I'm going to divide this radical equation by 7. 7 and 7 will cancel out. 70 divided by 7 is equal 10 equals square root 36x. As you can see, we simplify the equation. My unknown x is under the radical sign. In order to pull out this x, I'm supposed to eliminate the radical. How I can do that? You have to raise the whole expression to the power which is equal to the index. Remember, anytime there is no number over here, there is an invisible 2. Whatever I did on the right side, I have to do also on the left side. I have to raise to the second power. Exponent will cancel out the radical sign. 10 to the second power is equal 100 equals 36x. I'm looking for x. X is multiplied to 36. I do not want to see 36 next to x. So what I'm going to do, we do everything step by step. I'm going to divide both sides equation by the number which is multiplied to x, divided by 36. 36 and 36 will cancel out, and I'm going to have 100 over 36 is equal x. Let's check if this is correct answer. I'm going to replace x from my original equation by 100 over 36. I have 70 equals 7 times square root of 36 times 100 over 36. 36 and 36 will cancel out, and I have 70 equals 7 times square root of 100, where 70 is equal 7, square root of 100 is equal 10. So I have 70 equals 70. Left side is equal to the right side of the equation. That's why the solution to my problem is x equals 100 over 36.